welcome once again to RyzeNoiz. In today's video, we're going to be announcing the winner of the AirPod giveaway. And the winner of the free AirPods is right here. I hope our editor gets that. Congratulations to you and the AirPod giveaway. But for those of you guys who do not get the AirPods, do not feel discouraged. But wait, there's more.
Singing on the weekends as I wear my sweater. My brother put it in the dry, so it lost his leather.
That's a jacket, bro.
Whatever, I ain't the man with the clothes. Don't care.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we decided to buy $5,000 worth of fireworks. What better day to blow them up than today? Let's get started!
This ride will get bumpy, now careful with potholes. Figo Navarro con mucho trabajo. Shout out to El Barrio. Playing the game like Luigi and Mario. Be careful with Bowser. No worries, I also spit fire, but I stay flowing like water. Telling my youngins don't go chasing waterfalls. Remember the altar call, I was like 17. Don't tell me anything. Music my first love, I got her a wedding ring. Told her like everything, so many memories written in summaries. All of the places I seen, feeling like Biggie, it was all a dream. For me and my team to one day be seen, to only find out it was all vanity. Lord, can you help me please?
Will you tell me how it is? Tell me how it goes. Searching for some answers while I travel on this road. I got so far to go. I got so far to go. Will you tell me how it is? Tell me how it goes. Searching for some answers while I travel on this road. I got so far to go. Got so far.
Dude, mira, quedaste rostizado, dude.
That bird.
Go back again. Let me see. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. Se quemó las manos. Because you're grabbing it by the feet and throwing it.
I hope you got layers, it starts to get chilly. Some days I just trip how I'm still in the city. Good God, feeling is odd, feel out of place, needing my space. Feel like an astronaut after the aftermath due to the choices I'm.
Oh! Hit your foot! Oh!
Searching for some answers while I travel on this road. I got so far to go. I got so far to go.
Yeah, that's good.
Meet me at a Crocker so we can play some soccer. Gotta get my 5-on-5. Then we'll blast some music. We'll be singing to it. Come on now, it's been a while. But I cannot waste a morning. Cannot waste an evening. Cannot waste a hope or thought. I wanna save this feeling of living how I live. And I cannot waste this life I got. I cannot waste this life I got. Sometimes in this lifetime nothing seems fair, especially when you lose someone. You can't believe it, you're living in the now. First somebody's here, then they're gone. But I cannot waste the morning, cannot waste an evening, cannot waste a hope for thought. I wanna save this feeling of living how I live. And I cannot waste this life I got. I cannot waste this life I got. I'm not saying that it's easy. So many memories around. I know forever we will live for them. I know there's treasure in the lost and found. But I cannot waste a morning, cannot waste an evening, cannot waste a hope for thought. I cannot waste this life I got. Maybe to offer the gift of a smile or the gift of a heartfelt tear. But I cannot waste a morning, cannot waste an evening, cannot waste a hope for thought. I wanna save this feeling of living while I'm here, and I cannot waste this life. I cannot waste a morning, cannot waste an evening, cannot waste a hope for thought. I wanna save this feeling of living while I'm here, and I cannot waste this life I got. I cannot waste this life I got. I cannot waste this life I got.
No, otra vez. Do it again. No, está bien. Te lo pagamos. Get in there, come on.
But I have another idea. You give me 8 G's. No question. Shoot, give me the link.
Alright guys, that's the end of our video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what was your favorite part of this video. We're gonna give another giveaway. Now in this giveaway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give 5 people the opportunity to win $100. All you gotta do is do a little short video where you guys could be as creative as you guys want. All you gotta do is include RyzeNoiz somewhere in your video, down in your description and in the hashtags, but hashtag RyzeNoiz. And also you have a chance to win $50 if you guys screenshot a video of yourselves or a snapshot of you guys subscribing to our channel and turning on the notifications, and then just send it to our Instagram. Our Instagram's right here, and afterwards we'll choose the winner for $50. Be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
We had a Crocker so we can play some soccer. Gotta get my 5 on 5. Then we'll blast some music, we'll be singing to it. Come on now, it's been a while. But I cannot waste a morning, cannot waste an evening, cannot waste a hope or thought. I wanna save this feeling of living how I live, and I cannot waste this life I got. I cannot waste this life I got.